I am getting an E302 code while self-cleaning my Bosch oven. I am on hold for a long time with Bosch but about to give up.
E302 means that the oven thinks the convection fan motor has shorted and needs to be replaced. Inside the oven behind the back cover panel is a round element that goes around the convection fan motor. You'll need to flip the circuit breaker off to the oven or unplug the oven. Then open the door and remove all the oven racks and such. Remove the screws going into the back cover panel inside the oven so that you can remove the panel and see the element. Unscrew the ground element and test continuity through it with a multimeter. If it has no continuity, replace the element, otherwise your control board is just bad and the main relay control board would need to be replaced. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Thanks much.
Not a problem, and I wish you only the best. I'm sorry about the bad news, however.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.